Hello ma'am, I'm your 15CS354. Now I'm going to show you the data with 8th program triggers. There are a set of questions, and the first question has that create a simple trigger that does not allow insert, update, delete operation on the supplier table. So I have to create a trigger that does not allow insert, update, delete operation on the supplier table. So I'll show you my spool file for that. So this is the spool file, and you can able to see here. So create or replace trigger. This is the keyboard. We can use create or replace, and trigger and trigger name. And after that, here is the updation file. Here is the part you can able to see event. Here are the set of event which are going to show you. See, this is the before insert, delete or update on a supply 354 begin rise application error or not allowed in this table. So this will trigger an event whenever you are trying to insert, delete or update on the supply 354. It will trigger saying that application error that it not allowed in this table. And after that, there's a next question says that create a trigger to ensure does not contain a duplicate. So does not contain a duplicate should mean you can same sort of problem same set of query only you can able to see here. See here create or replace before update order for begin rise application not allowed to update this table. So this will show that it won't allow any kind of duplication in this table. And the next question is that create a trigger that rises an user-defined error message that does not allow updating a table. So here you can able to see the table here. Create or replace trigger and trigger name before update on order 354 begin rise application error that not allowed to update the order table. So it will not update the order table over here. And the next question is write a trigger to update the order whenever the customer ID is updated in the customer table. And the query is that you can able to see here create or replace trigger name after updating the customer ID on customer 354. You can able to see there's a for each loop for that begin the set of operation here. So this is the beginning and this is the end of that. So it will update the order 354 by using the customer's ID and putting new dot customer ID. So whenever the customer ID is updated, this customer will be updated over here. And the next question is create a trigger to employee table. It will update the another table salary while inserting a value. So create a trigger for employee table. It will update another table salary while inserting the values itself. So when I'm inserting the values in the employee table, I'll automatically update in that value also. So I'll show you the query which I used here. See here, create table SRM employee 2 and in name of. So these are the characters which are going to pass. So these are the parameters of that. So I can able to see what are the parameters, first name and the ID, salary number. So after that creating the table, so another table for that, a same set of thing only. And these are the query I'm going to manipulate the data by using this. So same I'm going to create a trigger by a updater ID. So after inserting the first values here for each instance, this will go into that table and update the values of that. So whenever I'm inserting the table, it will go and update the table here itself. So that's it for it. Thank you ma'am.